In this quick basic video, I will help you get more comfortable with the idea of what a Rubik's Cube is. A Rubik's Cube consists of 6 colored sides: yellow, green, orange, blue, red, and white. We can break these colors down into groups, which can help us later on in our progression. We have the adjacent colors, which are colors that are directly next to each other, such as the blue, red, or green and orange. We have our opposite colors, which are colors that are opposite sides of the cube, such as red and orange, or blue and green. Understanding the color scheme of the cube will help us later on when we reach our intermediate level. The Rubik's Cube consists of 12 edges, 8 corners, and it's important to know the difference between these to clear up any confusions of what pieces we are trying to solve. Lastly, a very common misunderstanding of what we're trying to solve is the stickers of the cube, and that is incorrect. We are going to be solving the correct orientation of both the edges and the corners. An example of that would be this, where you may have been trying to solve the white side, or the sticker, and we oriented the edges correctly, but the corners are not. Example is, we have the blue and red centers, blue and red edges are correctly oriented, but this corner is not. And that applies for the whole cube. What it would look like is if we have our edges correctly oriented, with our corners also oriented the same colors. And that should look like this. In this video, we learned the color scheme of the Rubik's Cube, of the adjacent colors and the opposite colors. We also learned what pieces make up the cube, the edges and the corners. Let's apply these to the next video and see how we can use them in the beginner cross solutions.